Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can open the hood in the Honda Accord VII. So in the first step we have to go to the bottom of your car, and now you should see the small element. Sorry, I have a problem to show it. Okay, now you have to just pull this thing, then we can go to the hood. Oh, sorry, the gimbal problems. Okay, sorry about that guys. And now we have the small thing here. We have to just lift it up, then lift the hood. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.